Hey, it's Brendan from fynk, the platform that takes care of contract busy work for busy business leaders. Now, when it comes to doing business, often the very first contract shared with an investor, a client, an employee, or a supplier is a non-disclosure agreement. And those should be standard. They should be simple. But so often they're not. And it takes 5 emails from the other side to ask for the NDA. You get their email. Then you need to copy a Word doc, do find and replace, convert to a PDF, and upload to a signature tool, all so that you can have a candid conversation with somebody you'd like to partner with. Your business associates don't have time to wait for all that process, and you don't have all the spare time to do that manual work. And that's where fynk, paired up with Zapier, comes in, delivering touchless, one-way non-disclosure agreements. How do we do it? Well, step 1, you'll share a request link with the other party. You can put it on your website, put it in your email signature, send it in a WhatsApp, and that's it. For a one-way NDA, that is all you have to do. Now, for the counterparty, they'll take that link and, to start, fill in their details. As soon as they submit, you'll see the contract created in your fynk account. Seconds later, they'll receive an email with a ready-to-sign agreement. Then they can open, review, and sign. In the case of a one-way NDA, you are now well and truly done. Now, if it's two-way, you do, of course, still have to sign. Legally, there's no way around that. But either way, together with Zapier, fynk clears out the admin work, allowing you to start those critical, confidential conversations and ultimately either make that hire, win the deal, or close that funding round sooner.